COVID shots for our littlest Americans are going to be rolling out this week. The White House is working right now to make those vaccines accessible and available for families who want them. And they're also making a push to convince those who may be undecided. We have Hannah Brandt with details from Washington.
President Biden and the First Lady will be visiting a D.C. vaccination clinic on Tuesday, and the president is set to give a speech where he's expected to encourage parents to get their children vaccinated. After a long wait, kids under 5 can now get vaccinated against COVID.
We've had a lot of parents throughout the entire last year asking when these vaccines were going to be available, and here they are.
Virginia pediatrician Sarah Hesselman is one of many doctors that will be giving out the shots starting Tuesday. And the White House COVID response team hopes doctors like her are busy.
Parents, I strongly encourage you to get your children vaccinated.
They're sending millions of doses to pediatricians and hospitals across the country, but the rollout is already running into roadblocks, with Florida refusing to order vaccines from the government's stockpile. And Governor Ron DeSantis says his state won't be facilitating shot distribution for young kids.
If someone wants to make a different decision, I would just caution people, look at the actual data in the clinical trial. It is the weakest possible data.
Health officials are pushing back against the skeptics. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky calls the shots both safe and effective, saying this decision is important for families.
Vaccinating young children is a critical opportunity to protect them against hospitalization and death.
And Dr. John Andrus with George Washington University points out this isn't just about protecting kids, it's about keeping everyone safe from COVID.
It's great news for the parents because it's less likely that children will bring the virus home.
The White House COVID team is planning to launch an educational campaign about COVID vaccines for kids. They even plan to include superhero-themed messaging to specifically target that age group. In Washington, I'm Hannah Brandt.